Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online products. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new air quality monitor. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off reviews. Let's go actually check it out. Alright. Setup user manual. It's a nice size display. Here's what it looks like. Buttons back here. It's cool. And then the power cable for it, which it is a Type-C along with the block. So let's go and actually set it up and see how it works. All right, let's hook it up. There we go. All right, and then one thing that I did just want to show in the back. So it's got a couple buttons right here. So obviously the power, and then right here is if you want sound, no sound, and then the brightness. So you can see, just change the brightness quite a bit. This is your settings right here for your time. As you can see, it is reading everything in real time. So that way we can go take this to like the kitchen and see how it's doing there, but we'll just let it settle for a little bit and then we'll go test it out over there as well. So as you can see, the numbers do fluctuate a little bit. So I'm not treating it like an exact lab reading, but it does give you a good ballpark of what the air looks in that room. Right now that PM 2.5 is showing, and it'll jump to a 4, so the small particles in the air are still in the good range. The temperature is around 81 degrees. Humidity is about 34%, and the AQI bar is showing green. The CO2 and TVOC sections are still saying preheat, so those sensors may still be warming up and settling in. That's something to keep in mind when you first turn these on or move them to another room. You want to give them a little bit of time before judging the numbers too hard. Alright, so now I have it sitting in my kitchen, and this is what it's showing. The PM 2.5, like I said, does fluctuate, but it goes to about a 3, so the small particles in the air are showing good. That would be stuff like dust, smoke, or tiny particles floating around. The CO2 is at 1448, which is higher than I'd like to see. This usually means the air is getting a little stale and the room could use some more airflow. The TVOC is at 1.185 and it's showing poor. This can come from like cooking smells, cleaners, sprays, candles, or even stuff sitting around the kitchen. The CHCO still shows preheat, so that part still looks like it's warming up, and I wouldn't judge that number just yet. Alright, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new air quality monitor, definitely consider it. I'm going to leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.